Oh, good. So, got about a minute rest. So what we're gonna do, we keep the reps up. We're gonna do 5 to 7, wide, not too wide, but just a little bit outside of your shoulders. So you can get that right under that arm, under the armpit right there. Upper lats. So 5 to 7, get down, wait 5 to 7 seconds. Jump right back up. You're gonna go ahead and get behind the neck. Get them real delts. Stick at that upper lat, making it wider. Come back down, same way, 5 to 7 reps, 5 to 7 seconds, gonna rest. You're gonna jump right back up. Do it forward. So forward, can't get them forearms. We are working on the back. What that does, it brings it closer so you get that middle back. Almost close to bend over rows and you having it close. Like old school, like Arnold used to do. You come up and pull. He used to do a lot of those for the center of that back. So that's what we're gonna do. Then, same rest time, same reps. Go back up, reverse. So this reverse is, it tries to eliminate a lot of your biceps. Almost like a reverse. Bent over rows with the weights. You're pulling your body weight. Not bad. So, we're gonna get to another set. Hold on real quick. Gotta take this off, man. Hit a like, man. Appreciate y'all. Hit a like. Oh man, I'm coming, man. Hold on. It's getting warm out here in Texas, man. You see that set work on it? Yeah. I appreciate y'all, man. Let's get the second one. Put that stuff in. I thought I said some stuff. Let's get it. Get a second set. We're gonna do as many as we can, probably within like 20, 25 minutes. Just, we're going off the time limit. Let's get it.